What's your name and which company?
Yeah, my name is Rabia Shayib. I'm from CCC. I'm a plant manager at CCC.
Thank you so much for taking time
You're
to
welcome.
join us at the open house today. What stood out for you? What's your experience about the open house?
Well, actually, this is I think this is the first time you do this in Qatar.
Yes.
Actually, it's impressive.
Okay.
We've been in the market for a long time here in Qatar, and we've been in business with Manlift for a long time. But again, to see this, your capabilities, even your team here on the ground, and the organization, it's really impressive.
Thank you. My name is Zubair Pandawat.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah.
It was a great experience.
Oh.
First time in Qatar because I'm into construction for almost 30 years.
Oh.
This is first time I'm attending such a beautiful event.
Oh.
Myself, Karimullah Khan. I'm
Yes.
from Manlift Construction Company.
Okay.
We are into oil and gas. We are EPC contractors, yes, contractor. We work with all the key companies in oil and gas.
Okay. What's your take about the whole event?
The whole event is very informative, well organized. The team is very welcoming.
Okay.
And it was very new and get to know our service provider with which standard to maintain. It's mashallah a global standard.
Okay. What stood out for you in the whole event?
Stood out only your performance
Oh, welcome.
and the services what you provide.
Oh.
The missions, the technicality and the people behind those missions to make them operate to a safe standard, to make customers